Well, today we're gonna do the Minnesota Bowl, and this is an ever-changing thing we have on the menu for a little over the last year. We're gonna start by saute up the roasted roots. Today it has parsnips, some red cabbage, potatoes, carrots, beets, and delicata squash. We've got turtle black beans from Hermit Creek. We've got Melby wild rice and some roasted Weicker pork loin. The roots are just this tasty thing, and you can roast them up, get them crispy, and then you can kind of flavor them in so many ways. I grew up in the country. I grew up on 80 acres with my parents, and we had giant gardens and, picking fresh peas or, go pick what you want for dinner. We'd run out. We want corn, we want beans, we want peas. Cover that, add a little water and steam that up to bring it to temp. I'm gonna saute some onions and peppers in this one, and then we're gonna add some pork to this as well. When I started this place almost 22 years ago, I went to my first food show and I was kind of confused. I was like, where's the food? Everything was in plastic bags, it was pre-portioned. That was kind of disheartening. We started a food farm share with the food farm, I don't even know, 15, 20 years ago, we started getting a share. And it's been fun to be a drop-off site. So we get shares from Hermit Creek and shares from the food farm, and you get your boxes, and depending on the season, you look in there and you go, what are we gonna do? At first it was an unimaginable challenge, and now it's kind of like, ooh, what did we get? On a big day, we'll have 54 organics boxes of food dropped off on our stage. And that's just one drop-off site, and that's just for our small little teeny community that wants this food in. That's just one farm. This is starting to come together. I'm gonna just shut that off, let it steam. It's gonna be warm. This is looking good. I'm gonna add some black beans and wild rice to that. We'll just let that all stay warm. Now, we're gonna do a soft egg. Let's go for a sunny egg. You can do whatever you want in this, really. And now it's just a little wait, steaming things up. I see the true fabric of this community because, this is our dirt. The hard work to make these plants live, to weed, to pick, to store, to transport, to sell. That's behind the scenes stuff. So this is the fun part. This is where you get to be creative and put things where you want them. If you're like me, you like lots of different things on your plate, lots of different tastes. So the fun part is you do get to be creative and make it look the way you want. And if you don't like it, you get to do it different next time. So then we're gonna put that egg right on top. It's been a really amazing thing to make this stuff and to have people actually enjoy it and come back for it, kind of trusting us to make something good out of this local stuff.